In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge Google Docs files. Whether you're combining two documents for a collaborative project, organizing your notes, or simply trying to streamline your workflow, this process is fairly straightforward. Let's dive right in and simplify your document management. First, you need to open two Google Docs files, the destination document where you want all your information to be combined, and the source document from which you'll bring in the content. So go ahead and locate both of these files on your Google Drive and open them up in separate tabs for easy toggling. Once you have both documents open, focus on the source document. Here, you'll want to select the content you plan to merge into the other file. If you're aiming to include the entire document, you can do so easily by pressing Ctrl and A on a Windows computer or CMD and A on a Mac. This action will highlight all the content in that particular document, getting it ready for the next step in the process. With your content highlighted, the next step is to copy it. You can achieve this by using the shortcut Ctrl and C on a Windows device or CMD and C if you're working on a Mac. This copies all that selected text to your clipboard, temporarily holding it there while you move to the other document. Now, navigate over to your destination document, the one that will house all your combined content. Place your cursor at the exact location where you want the new content to be inserted. This could be at the very beginning, in the middle, or appended to the end of the existing text. Wherever you choose, ensure your cursor is precisely located to eliminate the need for adjustments later. After positioning your cursor, paste the content using either Ctrl and V on Windows or CMD and V on Mac. Once you do this, you will see the text from your source document appear in the destination document at your chosen spot. There's an additional step you might want to consider here, especially if maintaining uniform formatting is crucial for your document. Pasting directly will carry over any text formatting from the original document, which sometimes can cause formatting conflicts and disrupt uniformity. To mitigate this, paste without formatting by using Ctrl-Shift and V on Windows or CMD-Shift and V on Mac. This method ensures that only the plain text transfers over, allowing it to seamlessly conform to the current document's style. And that's it. You've successfully merged the content of one Google Doc into another. This straightforward process not only saves time, but also helps keep your documents organized without the hassle of reformatting. Practice a few times, and you'll find it becomes second nature, serving you well anytime you need to compile multiple documents into one cohesive file. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.